Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying the essentials: on-prem Active Directory health, correct schema, and domain controllers with sync time. Then install Azure AD Connect, and during setup, enable hybrid Azure AD join and device writeback. This is the single most important step. Once done, create and verify the service connection point in AD so devices can discover Azure AD. Make sure to use a service account with delegated permissions. This allows secure registration and avoids permission errors later in the flow. You now configure device registration and enrollment. Create and link a group policy that enables automatic workplace join for Windows 10/11 devices, or configure your MDM enrollment scope to accept hybrid joined devices. At the same time, confirmed devices can reach domain controllers and required Azure endpoints. Network blockers will silently fail the process. Once policies are applied, use dsregcmd/status on a client to force and inspect registration. If the client reports an SCP mismatch, revisit AD SCP. You finish by forcing a full sync in Azure AD Connect, and then verifying device objects appear as hybrid Azure AD joined in the Azure portal. Once devices show as registered, confirm conditional access and MDM policies apply as intended. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting methodically. Check Azure AD Connect logs, Windows Event Viewer on the client, and run dsregcmd/status again. The most common fixes are SCP misconfiguration, insufficient permissions, or time skew.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.